Is whiteboard paint safe for schools and homes? Thinking about turning that boring wall into a giant creative canvas? Whiteboard walls are a fantastic tool for schools and homes, replacing dusty chalkboards and clunky frames. But a big question parents and teachers are asking is whiteboard paint actually safe? The short answer is yes, but only if you choose the right product. Not all whiteboard paints are created equal. The biggest safety factor you need to look for is VOCs, volatile organic compounds. Premium whiteboard paints are formulated to be low odor and extremely low in VOCs, meaning they release very little chemical vapor into the room. That's why many are considered safe for classrooms, home offices, and other indoor spaces where kids and adults spend time. For schools, maintaining healthy air is especially important since children spend hours inside. Low VOC coatings help support good indoor air quality, reducing odors and minimizing chemical exposure. At home, the same principles apply. Once whiteboard paint fully cures, typically within a couple of days, it becomes a stable, odor-free surface you can write on safely. Just remember, safety also depends on proper application. During painting, make sure you have good ventilation and always follow the manufacturer's instructions. Once the paint is dry, the surface is ready for daily use without any noticeable odors or harmful fumes. Compared to chalkboards, which can create dust, whiteboard paint offers a cleaner and often healthier alternative for learning and collaboration. When you choose a quality, low VOC product and apply it correctly, it can be a fun, functional, and healthy addition to any learning or living space. Call us at 800-936-2159 and speak with a friendly coding specialist. Or visit us at remarkablecoating.com.